Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla, and today we are going to discussing about our new topic, AppliTools setup with the Java Selenium. Okay, how we can able to set and how we can able to run that we can see. Okay, in the last video session I have explained about how you can able to set up with the playwright with the TypeScript, right? And also we have run in a one test case and we see the comparison also. The similar format here also we can do for setup as well as run our first test case. Okay. For this we need to create a project. Maven project I'm creating. Okay. AppliTools. Okay. Now inside this we need to change the build version. Okay. Then I'll click for form.xml. Okay. Then I will go for Maven repository. I'll copy this one. Okay. You can see I Selenium Java 5.83.20. Okay. This is the version it is there. Okay. We are moving that particular one. Okay. I copied and then I need to use for dependency. Inside the dependency, I'll create. Okay. And I will save it. Once the build is done, we can able to see that Maven repository will download for all the things. Okay. Then we have done for this one and then I will create the package here com.demo. You can give any kind of name. Okay. Creating the class tc01 at the rate first demo. Okay. And save. Now here you can see this is our repo. You can see, right? This is the one it is there. Now I need to create our first test case to see this here, right? For this, we need to use for WebDriver first initialization of the WebDriver. WebDriver driver equal to a new Chrome driver. Okay. Then we need to use for eyes because the eyes is the one to get that perfect connecting for that particular application AppliTools one. Okay. And then we need to set our API key that is available here. You can copy eyes dot set API key. Okay. And then we need to use for eyes dot open. This is the mandatory step. It will take the driver help to connect with this AppliTools. Okay. And then this is the one is a demo app we can able to provide, or else you can provide your application name also. What is the name of the test case? I'm going to use for Google homepage. Okay, that's the title of your page. Okay. Now driver dot get URL that I'm going to use for Google Drive. Okay. We've opened and we get the time and we need to use the visual check-in. Okay. Eyes dot check eyes dot check window. Okay, it is required that what is the window of this? Okay, this is the Google. home. Okay, and make the first we need to close the eye because here we are not closed in a playwright location. Eyes we opened and we are not closed, but here we need to close the eyes. Okay, dot close. Okay, same time we am going to closing for driver dot quit. Okay, now I'm going to run. Now you can see first time we need to run for that particular application. Then second time we need to compare. Right? First time I'm running. Now closed. Now you can see once you went here and refresh. Now see Google homepage it is came here and this is my Google homepage. Okay. Now again one more time I'm running this one to compare whether there is any visually impacts are there or not. Okay. Now you can see if something is modified or something it is there. Now I have typed something. Why- So it got failed. So many difference it is showing, right? There are spaces and all, and which it is presented, there is a difference it is there. It is showing that difference because of that it is not closed. Okay. Like this, we can able to do something. It is a extra space also. It will be shown that. For that, we need to use for some thread or something wait times to wait for complete page. Then we can able to validate. Okay, you can see there is a spaces is not there for here, but when it is coming to here, it is white spaces and all it is there. Because of that, it is shown that it is not matching with that. Okay. Similar format we can able to check for all the places. Okay, we can see any possibilities is there, whether we can able to check a specific element and all we can able to see in the next upcoming video sessions. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.